Specialist versus generalist. There seems to be a constant battle around niching down. Being a specialist versus being a generalist. I hear it a lot, particularly amongst my speaking buddies, but also in social media marketing circles. Being a generalist gives you the opportunity to attract more clients because you know about a lot of different things. Where a specialist goes deep on one topic and becomes an expert in that area. The question is, which way should you go? I was watching a YouTube video by Chris Do from the future around his thoughts on this, and they really struck a chord. He posed a question like, if you have a problem with your eye, a bad problem, are you going to choose the doctor who knows a lot about a wide range of medical conditions like the flu, broken bones, childbirth and diabetes? Or are you going to choose the doctor who is the eye specialist? Pardon the pun, but it's pretty clear, right? Now, in business, Chris says there is another element to consider here, and this is the bit I really love because 8 years ago when I found a variable, I believed this without actually knowing what it was. He calls it the halo effect, and it works like this. If you're an expert in one area, if you niche down to become the go-to solution for that problem, and you leave people satisfied and amazed. For example, let's say in variable scenario, it's video strategy. Then the halo effect works, that the potential customers draw the conclusion that you must also be an expert in all the other areas or problems linked to the one problem that you solved. So the lesson is this: market yourself externally as a specialist, but internally have the knowledge to be a generalist. And this rule applies to a lot of things, even the videos you post. Don't make your videos for everyone because you'll end up with an audience of no one. Be an expert in one area, solve it better than anyone else, and those customers will circle back wanting you to help them with all their other problems. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on, so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.